Hey guys, Honest Dad here. And I haven't actually got the video up yet, but I did do a full, pretty much open box review on DKM's clutch kit with the supposed lightweight flywheel for the E46 M3. Still trying to get that guy edited, but it will come up eventually. But in the video, I said that once I got the flywheel off, that I would do a weight comparison to see just how lightweight the DKM is compared to the OE dual mass. So without further ado, let's see how much the old guy weighs. Looks like I'm getting right at 25 pounds. 24.9. So it's safe to say 25 pounds. Let's check it this way to see if this makes any difference. This stupid Fitbit scale is the only thing I have right now, so you have to bear with me. She's gonna kill me. Saying 24.9. It's thinking about it. It's gonna upload. Hopefully, most likely this will go to my wife's account and it'll look like she lost. Well, I can't say that on camera. She'd kill me. Yeah, 24.9 either way. So that's what we're getting. That's how much the old guy weighs. Everyone was telling me those things weigh like 30 pounds, huh? Not what I'm seeing. So here's the supposed lightweight single mass. Here we go. Ooh, 23.2. So I'm assuming overall they've wanted to go for close to a 2-pound weight reduction versus on their single mass versus the dual mass. I'm a bit shocked. When I picked that guy up, I thought it was pretty heavy. I didn't have any, inclination to think there was only a 2-pound difference, but there you go. DKM single mass lightweight flywheel for the BMW E46 M3 is approximately 2 pounds lighter than the OE dual mass. Yeah, I'll get that other video up soon, guys, so you guys can get a quick glimpse of all that comes with the kit and how well it's packaged and all that good stuff. But until then, catch you later.